Alright, today I'm going to show you how to remove broken bolts from aluminum cylinder heads and whatnot if you just happen to break one off. This is a passenger side motor mount on a 96 Corolla. There's supposed to be some sort of vibration reducer mounted right there, but I broke the bolt. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it out. First, you're going to stick it in a vise. Okay, now that you've got it all mounted up, you're going to get a punch and a hammer and some penetrating oil. Now spray the bolt with some penetrating oil, let it sit. And then you're going to take your punch and you're going to hit the bolt counterclockwise to back it out. Sometimes this takes forever, and sometimes you have to fight it. This one doesn't seem to be doing that bad. And you just keep backing it out. After you get it far enough out, you can take some needle nose and turn it the rest of the way. But in my case, it's actually loose enough to where I can undo it. So, anyway, that's how you do it. It's pretty useful when you break off something inside, like an aluminum cylinder head or anything that pretty much bolts into the engine bay. So, I hope it helps you guys.